Good evening. I am one of the OET aspirant from the EduSkills. Today I am going to explain how to register in OET. First we can go to the in Google section OET registration login. We can go to this page up. It will appear that login or register. First time we are going means we have to register. Register means there is 4 pages there. First page is showing name details and family name, date of birth and photo. That photo some details is there. It is photo. We have to it will be file that one. It will be above more than 200 and less than 2 MB. It will be insert, that is photo with photo. It will be we can insert. Then what is the profession, then address, we have to the current address, then ID type, the country, that code, then mobile number, ID type, nationality and first language. Then the page it will appear. Next it will show the last section, it will show next. Then second page is terms and condition. Terms and condition, we can go through the terms and condition. It will be then the down there is agree page is there. Then we have to click the agree. I agree. Then the third one, it will come security answers. Then we have to create the username and password, then confirm password. That security questions is there. We have to fill the all page. Otherwise it will show like whatever we didn't fill means that is important, that is like small star is there. We can go to the all the details we have to fill. Then next once we will confirm, then the page it will come. The fourth page it will show that what purpose, why you are taking this OET. Then before you attending this any language test before, like that. Then which country, then email address also it will show. Then once everything we are filling out, then it will show. That's all, that the registration process is finished. Thank you. Then once that registration is processed, then automatically we will get the email in confirmation it will get. Then next process that login, next we can go to close it and we can come to the login. We are login means username and password we are applying. Then automatically the page it will be open. The page it will show that apply for test and my dashboard and help. That apply for test, then we can go to the apply for test means we can apply for profession. Then all models is there: listening, reading, speaking and writing. Then we have to click the test. Then in case somebody they are appearing the second time means you can apply that one, whatever which test you want, you can click that only. Then that country, which country you are applying. Then it will be next, it will show that next. Then select date, that which date you want, you can select. Then that venue, that select the venue, the place it will show you. Then you can click the venue. Then next page it will show that whatever all it is direct, it will show the like this page. It is a date of test and test date. Then all details it will come, whatever we are booked, that all details it will come. Then once the details it is coming, just you can confirm. Then next you can proceed. That next proceed means it will again ask the confirmation. So all test the details it is correct, you can check it, then confirm. Then mode, the payment mode is going. That payment mode is which we are applying Visa and MasterCard, and whatever the details, the card details, you have to fill it. That's all. I think that confirmation, that all payment, then we can get the invoice also from the mail. Then we can check the all details it is correction. Then it will show that again ask that. Then in the front page it will show all details, our registration details is there, everything. Once you will confirm, then also you will get the all confirmation from the your emails. Then before the exam date it will be also that alert email is there. We have to check the mail. I think all are understand. Thank you.